oil and sugar-free healthy energy balls recipe. These energy balls, or you can call them ladoos, can be enjoyed as a quick snack to boost your energy and can be enjoyed by the whole family. No ghee, oil or sugar is needed to make this super healthy energy balls. So let's get started with the recipe. To make energy balls or energy ladoos, into my stone grinder, I'm adding in 6 cardamoms and I'm crushing the cardamoms. Once the cardamoms are crushed, I'm peeling off the skin and removing the seeds. Freshly ground cardamom gives an amazing flavor to this energy ladoo. This energy ladoo can be enjoyed as a quick snack for an instant energy boost. Into my dry grinder jar, I'm adding in 1 cup or 150 grams of roasted peanuts. Into this, I'm adding in the cardamom seeds and I'm going to coarsely grind the roasted peanuts and the cardamom seeds. So first I'm going to pulse it a couple of times. Let's open and check. You can see that the peanuts are now coarsely ground. I'm going to pulse it once more. Now let's check now. Okay, now the peanuts are coarsely ground. So this is the texture of the peanuts ideal for this energy balls. To get this texture, I pulsed it 3 times. Add the coarsely ground peanuts into a bowl. I have measured 1 cup or 200 grams of medjool dates. Now the reason why I am using medjool dates is because medjool dates are soft and it's easy to blend. So what I've done is I just removed the seeds and with a knife I just sliced into 2 portions like this. Since medjool dates are soft, it's easy to blend it. Now if you don't have access to medjool dates, you may need to soak the dates and then use. Simply slice into half like this, remove the seed and then again slice into half. Into the same dry grinder jar, I'm adding in the chopped dates. Into this, I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoon of raw cacao powder. If you don't have access to raw cacao powder, you can use unsweetened cocoa powder. From the coarsely ground peanuts, I'm adding in a couple of tablespoons into the dry grinder jar. And now I'm going to blend this into a smooth paste. Let's open and check. Now the dates are blended really well. Add the blended dates into the coarsely ground peanuts. And with my hand, I'm mixing all this really well. So I'm basically mixing the peanuts into the date mix. There is no need to add any extra oil in this energy balls. This is an excellent healthy snack for that quick energy boost, especially in your weight loss journey. Mix until you can gather it into a dough like this. And then pinch off a small lemon-sized dough from this and roll it tightly into a dough ball. Make sure you press and roll it into a laddu. And then with your hand, just roll it into a round shape. And my healthy oil and sugar free energy laddu is ready. The natural healthy fats in the peanuts is enough to make this laddu. No other oil or ghee or even nut butters are needed to make this quick and easy, healthy, instant energy ladoos. Into a cast iron pan, I'm adding in 1 cup of grated coconut and I'm lightly toasting the coconut. Toast the coconut on medium to low flame until the coconut starts to turn light golden brown in color. This laddu is an ideal energy snack. The best thing about this laddu is that it does not have any added sugar or added oil. And it is a completely grain-free laddu. I'm not using any grains like rice, oats or wheat or even millets in this laddu. Now the reason why I'm toasting or roasting the coconut is to help the ladoos preserve well for a couple of days. If you use fresh coconut, the laddu may stay good only for 1 or 2 days. But if the coconut is roasted lightly, the ladoos will stay good for longer time. And I'm going to allow this to cool down. While the coconut is cooling down, I'm crushing 10 cardamoms. Once the cardamoms are crushed, peel off the skin The flavor of freshly ground cardamom is amazing in this laddu, so try not to skip using cardamom. And now I'm going to grind the seeds to a fine powder. The next main ingredient is half cup of flax seeds. I have added the flax seed into my small chutney grinder. I'm going to grind this into a fine powder. Next, I'm using soft medjool dates. This is about 12 to 13 dates. Now into another slightly larger blender jar. This is a dry blender jar. I'm adding in the soft medjool dates. I'm removing the seeds and adding in the dates. Try to use soft dates for this recipe. I'm de-seeding the dates and adding into the blender. Into this, add in the cooled and lightly roasted coconut. Add in the freshly ground cardamom powder. 2 pinches of pink Himalayan salt. Add in the ground flax seeds powder. Flax seeds powder is also known as flax meal. Next, add in 1/4 cup raisins. And now I'm going to grind this coarsely. Everything is nicely ground. So I'm transferring it into another plate. And now I'm just pinching off small lemon-sized balls and I'm rolling it into small laddus. Very healthy, very quick, no added sugar, no added oil, no grains, gluten-free, vegan laddu is ready. Also, I have not greased my hand with any oil or desi ghee. The healthy fats in the coconut makes the laddu non-greasy, hence it will not stick to your hand, as you can see, and also will give a light shininess to the laddu. And my healthy oil and sugar free laddus are ready to serve. This laddu will stay good for up to a week in an airtight glass container. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.